Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should find battery saver somewhere. For me it's right over here. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it, select turn on, and there we go. We are now in power saving mode, which you can also see based on the battery icon. As you can see, it is with a red outline, although that red outline is barely visible, but it also has now like a plus inside of it. So that is simply to indicate that it is right now in the power saving mode. And that is how you would enable it. Now, to disable it, you can either charge your device fully or simply go back to the toggle itself and tap on it again to turn it off, which as you can see, it goes back to normal. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.